guys in a row, my Bango raffle. Thanks for getting in. Good luck. 245. Type live. We are live. 245. 245. We will grab the list. Alright, guys. Drop it in a random. 10 entries. John's on the bottom, or John's on the top, Robert's on the bottom. 2 dice, 5 or higher. 7, that's good. 7 times. Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. Dice is a 7. Next click. Top spot wins. Good luck. And 7. Congrats to Tim. Spot number 3. You are the winner. Get in touch with me. I will get those to you. 246. We will type done. We are done. 246. 246. Verification. Timestamp.